Hey guys, let's make an afternoon snack that's really famous in Malaysia called Karipap, or better known as Karipap. Now before you start guys, make sure you boil your potatoes first because this one will take the longest out of them all. So boil your potatoes. I'm using 2 large potatoes over here. You can use any type of potatoes, it don't really matter because later on when we season them, it'll taste fabulous. First of all, we're going to chop up the ingredients. I'm using 2 cloves of garlic here. And after that, we're using half a large onion. Try my best not to cry. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's do the cooking. I'm just using sunflower oil over here. And now on medium heat, we're gonna saute our garlic and onion. Now that our onion and garlic has softened, we're gonna add in our potatoes. You wanna be quite gentle with this because you still want them to be nice, like cube-like. To that guys, I'm gonna be adding in our Mak Tok's Rendang chili paste. I've got half a cube of vegetable stock here and some warm water. And we're going to dissolve our stock cube in the water. I'm going to pour that in and give this a good mix around. To that, I'm going to be seasoning it with some sugar and salt. Now we want the filling to be slightly drier so that when we wrap them up in our pastry filling, it wouldn't just flow out. Now that this is done, I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to leave it to the side to cool. Now guys, I don't like dealing with doughs, so I just got myself some ready roll short crust pastry. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take an estimate of around like 20 to 25 grams of each, roll them into a ball, and then flatten them down, add the filling into the middle, and just wrap them up. Don't they look like Cornish pasty? Well, it's like Cornish pasty, just Malaysian. Now we're gonna pour in some sunflower oil. Time to deep fry our Karipap. So we're gonna deep fry them until they turn golden brown on the outside. Wow. Have this with a cup of tea, perfect. To my favorite part, time to tuck in. Look at this guys. So good. Reminds me so much of home. So let me know what you think of this recipe. If you've got any questions or suggestions, just pop them in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Jumpa lagi! Don't you think my fruit and veg basket over here looks really nice? I just set it up for this video. Now that our onions are softened, no. Don't make me laugh! Got myself some ready roll short carb.